Okay, so we're here in Macau. We're on Hua de Team Lin. I'm going to show you that sign over there in a second. We're next to a Japanese restaurant and an overpass, and we're also near this roundabout right there, and that's our overpass. We're basically going to walk down this street. We're in the Taipa area. That's a hotel way down that way, and there's a kind of a big hill up there that you can overlook the airport. There's some hiking trails up there as well, but we're going to be walking down this street in the kind of the downtown central Taipa area of Macau, starting at this Japanese restaurant. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Okay, so I guess the first thing we're going to do is capture our sign as well as this Sutori Japanese restaurant. Everything's in Chinese, English, and in Portuguese as well, which is typical in Macau for those that aren't too familiar with Macau. So this is kind of a cool spot. They got this corner spot, this giant space. You could actually put, I wonder if they could put tables in there or not. Okay, so we're going to be walking down this way, and just so you can see where we are, we're in this area called Hua de Lin. Let's walk across. Let's walk on down. This station, the police station is also down on the street, so I'll have to be sensitive when I go by there. So we'll see how I handle that later. With this particular street, you're going to see there's like a little homeless area. Not homeless, but like you'll see. We're going to walk by that as well. There's dim sum and Daiso. So that one is kind of the famous dim sum, and then Daiso is like this budget, like a dollar store. So they basically have these products from Japan. They're actually kind of high quality and they're low price. So it's a nice, very popular place here. People really trust the Japanese products as well, so Daiso has kind of offers that that element to it. Let me see, we got some other places here. There's Daiso. Dim sum was behind me over there. We got, looks like kind of Hong Kong Macau style, Chinese style, and we got some watches. This one, it's kind of a seafood restaurant, it looks like. I think it's also like a hot pot as well. Oh, here's a 100, a bit crazy. This one has all the prices, so sometimes you can see stuff that's like 60 mop, as low as 60 mop. This one is a little bit higher. There might be a reason for it, but it looks like they have some 100 cuts as well. Maybe that one is for the viewers. I'm always kind of curious if that's something that's yeah, actually this is the space. That guy that walked by, usually that corner over there and this corner here, people will just kind of hang out. Let's walk over to the other side. So usually this corner as well, there'll be people just kind of hanging out in this area. So I don't know if there's like I don't know what this is. So there's a warning. You can't eat or drink or make noise in this public space. So I don't know, but for whatever reason, this area and that area will attract a lot of people just kind of vagrantly hanging out. So, and I guess you're not supposed to eat or drink or make loud noises there, so I don't know. But a lot of times people will drink a beer there, so. So here's our cross street. Way down there you can see Morpheus Casino in the distance. City of Dreams as well. Okay, so we'll keep on walking down. Laundromat. And clothing shops. This one is like a stationery store. And that one is it's like University of Macau Annex. I don't know exactly what it is, but there's always people waiting for so yeah, that's that one. I'll just keep on going. This says Barbie Love. I think this one has like a bunch of Japanese products, if I remember right. Barbie Love. So we're gonna keep on walking down. This one is like an English bulb, fun math. So some type of school. Here's a Korean one. Seoul Korean. It says Hanguk Yori. Seoul Korea food restaurant. Okay, we're gonna keep on walking down Huade Tai Lin. This is actually, if you get a speeding ticket or anything like that, you'll always get these come to Huade Tai Lin. So usually when I think about it, I think of like the police station. We are gonna walk by that, but we're gonna be sensitive about it. Down there you can see the casinos again. That's a Cotai Strip right down that way. Flower City is down that way as well. Now we're crossing Huade Coimbra. So we're gonna keep on walking down that street. That's that Macau Annex right there. To the Coimbra, down that way. And we are gonna continue down Tai Lin. We're basically just gonna walk straight down this way. And I'm gonna keep the camera to the side because the police station is over on the other side. Now we're gonna walk all the way down to the end of the street, and I don't think I filmed all of Huade Tai Lin before from beginning to end. So today will be a day where I can do that as a goal. This street is a little bit like basically you have the police station to the right, and then to the left I think is a parking lot. So we're just gonna get by that. I don't want to focus on the police station, so we're just going to go all the way down to the end. Let me see. I'm going to keep on going down. Maxim's Cake Shop is coming up on the right there in the corner. Focus. Huade Tai Lin. Watches. Nice corner shop. Surprised they sell watches there. I think these things will change from time to time, so I think this is actually a new one, and they have different restaurants all the way down. So they got Wooly, Korean one. Oh, that one's called Pizza Story. I never ordered pizza there before. Okay, so we're gonna keep on walking down. Big long line for this school as well. People are going to pick up their kids soon, I think. That's Huade Seng Tao. We're still walking down our Target Street right here. Huade Tai Lin. I'll just keep on walking down. Let's go over to the other side. Got Maxim's right there. That's kind of cool. This Maxim's has a little bit of a Sao Paulo reference. So this is very Catholic church, maybe Sao Domingos. Kind of cool, interesting. Shrines. Most of the businesses will have these small shrines as well, so you'll see those. Also the incinerators as well. Okay. Huh. The Methodist church. It's funny how this one there's no shrine, but the other ones are shrines. So those other ones had shrines all the way down, and then this Methodist church doesn't. Yeah, actually there's some shrine here too, but a lot of times in Macau you'll see little shrines. So we'll look for some more before we finish our street. Top food store. Supermarket there. Yeah, usually you have these little shrines like this, usually. So it's interesting if you observe it, the ones that have it and the ones that don't. Okay, so we're gonna end our street. It's Rue de Thailand. And now we're kind of at the end here. And if you go down that way, there's a skyway right there. So we're actually like this street right here is Rue de Thailand, and then that one over there is a skyway. That's Guimarães. Probably should give you a little bit of. So that was our target street. And way down there, you can see some of the casinos, like Venetian casinos down that way. Okay. And you can also see some like a mountain in the background as well behind the skyway. So that's Taipa Pequeño. And we're gonna end our street right here. So this is Rue de Thailand. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Toma cuidado la